Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna share with you another simple recipe of mine called ginger chicken. So first of all, I have this 1 kilo chicken and I cut this size, yeah. And now I'm gonna marinate this with 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine and 1.5 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I'm using vegetarian oyster sauce. And 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. So what we do is we just mix this. Okay, so now we're gonna put this on aside for at least 10 minutes, yeah. So while we're waiting for our chicken to be marinated, we're gonna cut our ingredients, yeah. I have just 1 potato this size, yeah, and ginger this size. I have 2 cloves of garlic and 1 small onion. So now we're gonna cut them, yeah. First thing, we cut our potato. Okay, we just cut this size. Yeah. Now we cut our ginger. We cut our ginger into a very thin strips. Guys, yeah, the thin strips of ginger. So we put it aside. Same goes as our garlic. We cut this one thin strips as well. And same goes as our onion. We slice this very thin, yeah. So now let's start cooking here. First thing, we have to heat up our pan, and once it's already hot, we're gonna put at least 1 tablespoon of oil. And now we're gonna start sauteing our ingredients. First of all, I have to put my ginger. And now we put in our onion and our garlic. Okay, you can see there, it's already light brown in color. Now we're gonna put in our chicken. Now we're gonna add in our water. I'm having this 400 ml of water. Put in a dash of pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna mix this. Now we put in the potato. Cover this and let it cook until the water becomes half left, yeah. So guys, this is after 5 minutes of cooking. So you're gonna give this one a quick stir. Now we cover back and we continue to cook this for another maybe 5 more minutes. Yeah. So our chicken and potato is almost cooked. Now you're gonna carry on simmering this one for at least maybe 2 more minutes. So before I cover back, I have to add in a little bit of dark sauce, or they call this caramel sauce. Give a quick stir. At this point of time, guys, we have to put our flame on the slow flame, yeah? So guys, our chicken is ready. This is the consistency that I want. Look at the gravy. Yeah. So to finish this one, I have this 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and I diluted with 1 tablespoon of water. And we just off the flame. And now the last ingredients I'm gonna add in is the sesame oil. We just drizzle this a little bit, yeah. See, at least half teaspoon of sesame oil. Giving a quick stir. This is it, guys. My chicken is ready, and I'm gonna dish out the chicken now, yeah. So this is it, guys. This is my ginger chicken. Look at that. Yeah, looks so pretty, and I tell you guys, this is worth trying recipe. It's very simple, very easy to make, but the taste is really amazing. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe for more upcoming recipes. Bye, guys.